Today we're checking out this SXT Style Rear Diffuser in gloss black for the 2015 to 18 Charger RTs and the 2015 to 23 Charger SE and XXT with round exhaust tips. This is one of those simple upgrades that can totally change the vibe of your rear end because it adds a more aggressive and race-inspired look without having to swap the whole rear bumper or valance, so it's definitely worth looking into. The big win with this diffuser is going to be the overall style because you're getting these vertical fins that give the rear of your Charger a much more performance-focused look. These look like something that could have come from the factory on a higher trim package, and they're designed to work with the OEM dual exhaust body style with round tips. So it doesn't look like a universal piece that kind of almost fits. And if you're someone who wants to match that paint perfectly, the finish can be painted, so you can keep it gloss black for that contrast, or color match it to your Charger for a more factory clean setup. This is one of those parts that can help with your aerodynamics and your stability at speed, but honestly, most people are grabbing this because it makes the rear end look lower, wider, and way more aggressive with only about an hour of an install time. So if you stick with me, we'll show you that install just here in a minute. When it comes to the construction on this, you are going to get a high-strength polypropylene piece with a gloss black surface finish. Polypropylene is a solid choice here because it's strong, it's flexible, and it holds up well to normal road abuse like weather, grime, and those small impacts that you're going to see. It also has this really nice clean gloss finish that gives it a clean and sporty look right out of the box. Plus, since it's made to accept auto paint, you've got options if you want to dial in that exact look you're going for with just a color match or something maybe more custom. Right now is a good time to go over to the website and check out some of those customer install pics and see what I'm talking about with the color match or adding accent colors to the piece. It really does help it pop. Now when it comes to the pricing on this, it's coming in right around that $200 price range. That's a pretty solid spot for a diffuser that's made to fit like it belongs, because cheaper universal options usually take a lot more fighting to get the look right, and the gaps in the alignments can be all over the place. Here, what you're paying for is more of an OEM style fit and finish that looks clean the moment it goes on the car. When it comes to this install, it's going to get rated just a 1 out of 3 wrenches on the difficulty meter. You can get this job done in 1 hour of your time. So let's see exactly how that process works with a quick video from one of our AmericanMuscle customers.
These are the tools we used. The drill bit, the drill for drilling out those pop rivets. This one I didn't have to use it, but it's been useful for putting in the exhaust tips, pushing them in. This pipe clamp, pipe wrench for holding the other side of the. You can use any other tool or the wrench to hold the nuts, and then this is the 14. So that's 14 for driving those nuts, and then the pry tool. This is the push pin tool for removing them, and that was it. This is the diffuser this is the SXT diffuser. I'm going to install it on the Dodge 2015 RT. This is a Dodge 2015 RT with these old exhaust tips and this original balance. I'm going to remove it and put this one, but at the same time I'm going to have to remove these tips and put the ones that I just bought. I'm going to have to put these ones as well. So this is the process we're going to start now. This OEM balance, it has pins, push pins underneath. There are some push pins underneath here. If you can see here, we have one here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This one is out already. So I'm gonna have to remove it with the push pin spanner remover, the pry bar. This is the tool I'm going to remove them with. If you are going to reuse these pins, you have to be careful when you are removing them so that you don't break them. Okay. In here since out. Next. Out. Out two. And the last one. It's easy. Now there are some clips that I have to use this pin. I can use this one, or you can use a flat screwdriver. I'll use this one to unpin it. Go out. Okay, now these rivets, I'm going to have to drill them out with the hose, because I cannot have access from the back of them. So I'll just use the 532 drill bit. Yeah, try them. Out. The old one. I'm gonna do the same way the other side. Out. Now we're gonna have to put it back, put the new SXT version of the diffuser back into the car. It's just the clips, clip it here, then put the push pins back. The new ones I have new push pins here. These are the ones I'm going to use. So you can start in the end. Flipping it back. And the new one. Okay. Okay, the clips are in. Now I'm going to put in the push pins. I have the new push pins here. Okay, I have the new push pins. I have smaller ones and bigger ones. I'm going to start with the bigger ones, these ones. Okay, this is where they go. Clipping. Another one here. Clipped.
All right, that wraps up our review and install of the SXT Style Rear Diffuser in gloss black for the 2015 to 18 Charger RTs and the 2015 to 23 Charger SE and SXT with round exhaust tips. And for all things Charger, keep it right here at American Muscle.